Y'all know how to whistle? Hi. So, this video, if you didn't read the title, which if you're here, you're probably, you've read the title. This is about the astrology signs and the basic info about them. So, I'm going to call it the beginning info to getting to know signs. So, y'all know I like to be organized so I don't miss anything. So, I'm going with the traditional because just recently they put in this 13th astrological sign, which I am not hip to or whatever, so I will not be including that one in this video. And anybody who's old enough to even watch my video isn't a part of that group anyway, so we just doing the traditional 12 signs. Western. So, the way that the astrology signs go in order, technically, Aries is supposed to be first because technically the new year is in March 21st. And that has something to do with the Bible and everything. And I could explain it to you because I actually know, but this isn't the video that I'm doing for that. So counting down 1 to 12, which 12 is being like the baby of the astrology signs or whatever. Not baby, but like I'm going in order from the beginning to the end. So the first one is Aries, the second one is Taurus, the third one is Gemini, the fourth one is Cancer, the fifth one is Leo, the sixth one is Virgo, the seventh one is Libra, the eighth one is Scorpio, the ninth one is Sagittarius, the 10th one is Capricorn, the 11th one is Aquarius, and the 12th one is baby Pisces. So, there are 4 elements for all the signs. So, if you can do math, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, there's 3 in each element. And the elements are earth, air, fire, and water. So, the 3 earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. The 3 air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. The 3 fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And the 3 water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, that's super basic right there. And a lot of people, that's the first thing they learn about the zodiac signs. So, I'm going to go and break down the names and like the purpose of the zodiac signs, but what they're called basically. So Pisces, I'm gonna go back. No, I'm gonna keep going in order. So, no, not Aquarius. I'm gonna go in order from first to last. Aries is the ram. Gemini is the twins. Two-faced. Taurus is the bull. I kind of just went out of order, but don't mind me. Cancer is the crab. Leo is the lion. Libra are the scales. Virgo is the virgin. Scorpio is the scorpion. Sagittarius is the archer. Capricorn is the goat. Aquarius is the water bearer. And Pisces is the fish. So, basically what that is like their position. Like, it has a really deep meaning, but like I'm saying, I'm just going scanning off the top of things, so I'm just telling y'all basic info. But it's basically like, for example, I know I can do this one pretty fast. An Aquarius is the water bearer, and technically that is symbolizing that they get stuff from the spirit, the 5D, to pour it out to the rest of the world or whatever. Like, they're the information holder, the gatekeeper. And man, is it fun to be the gatekeeper. OMG. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you which planets rule for each sign. So the planet that rules Aries is Mars. The planet that rules Gemini is Mercury. The planet that rules Taurus is Venus. The planet that rules Cancer is technically not a planet, but that tells you something. It is technically like a planet. Is the moon. The planet, technically not a planet, that rules Leo is the sun. The planet that rules Libra is Venus. The planet that rules Virgo is Mercury. The planet that rules Scorpio is Pluto. The planet that rules Sagittarius is Jupiter. The planet that rules Capricorn is Saturn. And the planet that rules Aquarius is Uranus, or Uranus, however you say it. And then the planet that rules Pisces is Neptune. So those mean significant things too, but I'm not going to go into depth about it in this video. But yeah, so there's only two of them that have a double zodiac sign for the planet, which is Mercury, which is Virgo and Gemini, and then Venus, which is Libra and Taurus. The rest of them, they have their own planet. So basic, like, personality traits of each zodiac sign. I'm gonna give you, I think, three of the positive traits and two of the negative traits. And I wrote it all down, so I don't know them off the top of my head. Some of them I do because I'm equipped personally with people of those zodiac signs, but I'm gonna read it. So, number 1, which is Aries. They are brave, assertive, and independent, but they are also impulsive, and they hate being restricted, which can cause, challenging aspects in their life. Number 2 is Taurus, and they have great taste, they're sensual, and they're down to earth, but they're also pleasure seeking, which isn't always a good thing, and stubborn. Number 3 is Gemini, and they are dynamic, and they're super talented, they're multi-talented, and they like games, which in my opinion could kind of be a bad thing too, but it's a good thing. But they're also two-faced and mischievous. Nah, I said it right the first time. Number 4 is Cancer. They're sensitive, friend-oriented, and practical, but they hate to argue, and they forgive, but they never forget. Number 5 is Leo. They're creative, popular, and faithful, but they're also dominating, and they are very prideful, which is a bad thing. Turns into a bad thing anyway. Number 6 is Virgo, and they are successful, creative, and they like to please. And they are also clever and can lead people on. Which you would probably ask, why is clever considered a bad thing? And it's because, like I said, they lead people on, which is a bad thing. 7 is Libra, and they are irresistible, adventurous, and lavish, but they are also indecisive, and they have a complicated love life. Number 8 is Scorpio, and they are self-reliant, powerful, and wise, but they are also dominant and secretive. Number 9 is Sagittarius, and they are open-minded, loving, and they're big achievers, but they are also insensitive and cold. Number 10 is Capricorn, and they are hardworking, straightforward, and loyal. But they can also be stubborn, and they aren't content until they're at the top, which that is a bad thing, and not put on the good side is because they don't get personal relationships right in life because they're too focused on materialistic stuff. getting to the top like that. Aquarius is number 11, and they set trends. They're innovative and admired. What's up? But they are also distant and eccentric. And then last but not least, 12 is Pisces, and they are alluring, free, and sensual. But they are also sensitive, super sensitive, and they can't function alone. So you would think, like, why is sensitive a bad instead of a good trait? And it's because with Pisces being number 12 and being like the bad, I mean not bad, the last child, think about like the little kid in a big family. The youngest one, like, they're usually the baddest because they got away with the most stuff, but they also had to put up with everybody else above them. So they are sensitive. Okay, so next I'm going to tell you the mutable, fixed, and cardinal signs, which it is what it sounds like. Mutable means they switch up a little bit. Fixed means they don't really change their ways. Things don't really change their outlook. Like they are who they are, and it's stuck like that. And then cardinal is they do whatever they feel. The mutable signs are Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, and Gemini. So they mix it up naturally. On a schedule, but naturally. The fixed signs are Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, and Leo. And then the cardinal signs are Capricorn, Libra, Cancer, and Aries. And if you think about that, like, for example, the cardinal signs, Aries and Capricorn, they give you, in a way, if you are very, which this is a beginning video, so you might not be, but Aries and Capricorn, they give off this, like, they give off a certain type of energy of like no nonsense. Like, they not for the nonsense. They're pretty straightforward. Not Aries aren't always straightforward. Capricorns definitely are, but like they give off that same type of like assertive, like they think they are top tier type of vibe. But yeah, so we're gonna do a 60-second recap. So make sure you caught everything. So the first child is Aries. The second child is Taurus. The third child is Gemini. The fourth child is Cancer. The fifth child is Leo. The sixth child is Virgo. The seventh child is Libra. The eighth child is Scorpio. The ninth child is Sagittarius. The 10th child is Capricorn. The 11th child is Aquarius. And then the 12th child is Pisces. The water signs are Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. The fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The earth signs are Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. And the air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. The fixed signs are Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, and Taurus. The mutable signs are Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, and Gemini. The cardinal signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. Well, I feel like I just got something mixed up. Nah, I didn't. Gotcha. The ram is Aries. The twins is Gemini. The bull is Taurus. Damn, why I'm fucking up. And I'm cussing. Ooh. The bull is Taurus. The crab is Cancer. The Leo is, well, the lion is Leo. The scales is Libra. The virgin is Virgo. The scorpion is Scorpio. The archer is Sagittarius. The goat is Capricorn. The water bearer is Aquarius. And the fish is Pisces. Dang, why I just mess up like that at first? I'm really not too much of a perfectionist, but I hate when I mess up. It kind of makes me want to do this video all over again, which I could. But do I want to? I'm going to make more videos, so it's going to get into your head one way or another. So, I'm not going to remake it. I'm just going to post it. Okay, pop quiz. So when I say the sign, you tell me if they're earth, air, water, or fire. Okay? So in the comments, I want to see that you know the fire signs, you know the air signs, you know the water signs, and you know the earth signs. So in the comments, make sure you comment that. So what is Aries? What is Taurus? What is Gemini? What is Cancer? What is Leo? What is Virgo? What is Libra? What is Scorpio? What is Sagittarius? What is Capricorn? What is Aquarius? What is Pisces? So in the comments, you should have 1 through 12, and starting from the top, like I said, 1 is Aries, 12 is Pisces. So, I'm finna tell y'all exactly how y'all should put it. So, we in class. This is class, and this is y'all assignment. So, do it right, or y'all gonna get points deducted. Okay? So, number 1, put 1, and then put a period, and then put a space, and then put your answer. Is number 1 earth, air, fire, or water? Put the answer. Then do that for number 2, number 3, number 4, all the way down to number 12. The number, then a period, then a space, and then your answer. Because I'm the teacher.